In order to track the traffic reports and get the reports of our sales and everything, here we are having one section called reports. Just click over here. Now click on traffic reports. Here you are having 5 kinds of traffic reports. First is site wise, product wise, collection wise, product specific and collection specific. So now we will check one by one. We will go to site wise first. After clicking here, you can see the report will open according to the site wise. Okay, here we are having site wise. Now you can select the duration from here and just search over here. Suppose if I want the report of 30 days, so I can mention the duration and accordingly I can search over here. We can see it in the list view also, like from which state, which city, which country, what was the view date time, okay, what was the name of the visitor. If the customer is signed up, then the name will be mentioned over here. Here you can see the state, city and everything. Same way, if we want for product specific, that also we can do. Here we need to mention the product, and here again we need to mention the days and everything. If we want customize, like suppose if we want custom date, so we can start it from the start date, and here we can put it as the end date, and we can just search it. So if anything is there in your records, you will find it in the list. If not, then this error will be there. Okay, next one is, here you already have seen that other one is product wise. Okay, so here you can see in product wise I am getting a report that this my particular product was viewed 16 times. Okay, so if I click over here, I will get a graph, or else I can get a list view that again which time, the details, the state, the country, everything can be seen from there. Here you can see the reports are there, the geographic reports are there according to state, city and everything. Here also you can select the products and you can search it accordingly. Next one is collection wise. Similarly, if we go for collection wise, now how many collections are viewed, these are all our collections which are viewed. Okay, here I can select the duration of the days and I can just click on search, like in 7 days how many collections are viewed, how many views are there, that can be seen by clicking here. We can check it in details also. Now if it is product specific, here I can select product specific. I can mention the product name of my, like suppose if I mention any of the products name from my catalog, that I can mention, and again I can select the duration. So that can be done over here. And another one is collection specific. Suppose if I want to check only for my particular collection, so I'll just mention the collection name over here, I will mention the duration over here, and I'll get the reports from here. So this is the way we can search the traffic reports for our website, and what all graphical changes are there on the reports, and accordingly we can more focus on the marketing and what all things need to be done for progress of our business. So we can get these reports from here and we can accordingly work onto it.